Ever wondered about the consequences of a hit-and-run scenario in India? It's a question that might have crossed your mind, and today we're going to explore it. We're going to delve into the intricacies of India's new hit-and-run law, a significant piece of legislation that aims to curb instances of hit-and-run incidents and ensure justice for the victims. Understanding this law is crucial for every citizen, so stay tuned as we delve deeper into the new hit-and-run law in India. So, what exactly is the new hit-and-run law in India? Well, in a nutshell, the new hit-and-run law is a legislation designed to curb the alarming rise of road accidents due to hit-and-run incidents. It's a strict law that aims to deter people from fleeing the scene after causing an accident, thereby protecting the rights and interests of victims. In essence, this law holds drivers accountable for their actions behind the wheel. If you're involved in an accident, you're mandated by law to stop, provide assistance, and report the incident to the nearest police station. Failing to do so can result in severe penalties, including hefty fines and imprisonment. This law is not just about punishment, though. It also aims to foster a sense of responsibility among drivers, encouraging them to act ethically and responsibly on the road. Now that we know what this law is, let's understand it better. There are 5 important points about this law that you should know. Firstly, the new hit-and-run law has significantly increased the penalties for traffic offenses. The aim is to instill a sense of responsibility among drivers and to deter reckless driving. Now, if you're found guilty of a hit-and-run incident, you could be facing a fine that's much steeper than before. Secondly, the law has introduced a provision for compulsory insurance. This means that all vehicle owners must have insurance that covers third-party liability. The goal here is to ensure that victims of hit-and-run accidents are not left without compensation. Thirdly, in an effort to encourage reporting of accidents, the law has made provisions for Good Samaritans. These are individuals who come forward to help victims of road accidents. The law now protects these Good Samaritans from harassment and unnecessary legal hassles. The fourth point to note is that the new law has stricter punishments for juvenile offenders. If a minor is involved in a hit-and-run incident, the guardian or the owner of the vehicle would be held responsible. This provision is to ensure that adults exercise due diligence in preventing minors from driving. Lastly, the law has also made provisions for a motor vehicle accident fund. This fund is intended to provide immediate relief to the victims of road accidents and hit-and-run cases in particular. The fund will cover treatment expenses and compensation in the event of death or grievous injury. In essence, this new law is a comprehensive approach to tackling the problem of hit-and-run incidents. It not only aims to punish the guilty, but also to protect the victims and those who come forward to help. Those were the 5 key points of the new hit-and-run law. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned. India's new hit-and-run law is a significant change in our legal landscape. It's designed to ensure responsibility on the roads and reduce the number of hit-and-run incidents. Firstly, the law increases the penalty for hit-and-run cases, making it a deterrent for irresponsible driving. Secondly, it ensures immediate assistance to victims, a crucial factor in saving lives. Thirdly, the law obliges drivers to report accidents to the nearest police station, fostering a culture of accountability. Fourthly, it provides a legal framework for compensation to the victims, providing much-needed financial aid. Lastly, this law also puts a system in place for the efficient processing of hit-and-run cases. It's not just about punishing the guilty, but also about providing justice to the victims. And that, in a nutshell, is the new hit-and-run law in India. It's crucial to understand such laws that affect our daily lives. Being conscious of the hit-and-run law not only helps us uphold our civic duty, but also ensures we're prepared for any unfortunate circumstance. It's not just about you or me. It's about creating a safer, more responsible society. So, let's take the initiative to share this knowledge with our friends, family, and neighbors, because when we're better informed, we're better equipped to navigate the complexities of life. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay safe.